Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, configuration, installation for Vicidial and other open source applications. Okay, so for today video guys, we will do user group. Okay, how to use user group. If you have more campaign or more clients with different campaign, you assign different campaign and give them a privilege to access the admin site. So you can create a user group for them so that they can only access the allow user permission under the user group. Okay, under the user group, okay, so let's go. So how to create user group and what is the functions for it. Okay, so for today you need to log into your Vicidial admin again. Okay, then after that you need to, so for now we have one campaign, this one, and once you log in you need to look for user groups. Okay, under this user group you have now only an admin user group. Okay, for this one I want to create a user group. For now I want the user have a different user group. Okay, for users only, so it means I will set the agent user. Okay, so this will be the agent user group. Okay. So after that you need to modify these settings. Okay, so first you need to uncheck the all campaign and don't forget to click your respective campaign for your agent. So it means I have one campaign for my agent, this test one. Agent viewable user group, so means only user, agent, time status, yes. They can view the call log view, yes. Transfers that allow chat, so yes. Here for me this is only the permission that I can add for now. User group, etc. Okay, and then submit. And now you have a agent user group, and after that you can now modify your agent. Okay, so you can go here and change the user group to agent user group. Okay, and then another one about the inbound, so inbound group, so you can change also this one, the user group for inbound group, so that they can only access those settings if you create an admin. Okay, now our our users are separated with the new user group. Okay, for example you have another company that you need to redial and then you hired another agent, so you can add your other campaign. So much better, you can copy, if you have, you can copy your existing campaign, so you can put your new camp 1. Okay, so this is where the new company, new campaign 1. Okay, so then submit, and then you can set to active, and also from here you need to create your new user group for that. Okay, then submit for now. Okay, and then you need to go back to your user group again, add new user group, so this one will be new camp, so the new campaign 1, so new user group campaign 1. Okay, then submit, and then once again don't forget to modify it again and uncheck this one and click new campaign only, and then new campaign. Okay, we submit. Chat, new camp only, all times, allow user, and then submit. Okay, and then when if you so you will create another user. So add user, if I my agent 6601, so this will be my another user. Okay, just paste directly, so this will be under the new user group 1. Okay, okay, then submit. Okay, so if the agent will log in, okay, if the agent will log in, I can copy my link, paste over there, and then let's check this. So, okay, okay. So from here you need to double check also their phones because we don't have phone yet. So this will be our phone. So 601, and this will be a 60,000. Okay, update the login password. Okay, and then from here you can change this one to no user group 1, much better, and then submit it. Okay, I'm going to copy this one to try to log in. Okay, username and password. Oh, they said okay, let me stick over there. So phone password. So oh ha? Alwa, kanyang kaya kayo ken? Dyan siguro. Hindi ka ano, nino ito. And then submit. Okay. Then accept. So we have a new campaign. Okay. So as you can see, there is no manual dial or other here, so we can enable that. So we should just go back to the user. This one. Okay, we can remove this one and call back manual dial. Okay, and then submit. And then if I log out, then log in, submit. So I have now my manual dial, callbacks, fast dial, and vocalize. Okay, and also to update, for example, I will create another admin user, so I will copy, or I will add a new user. So I will set this one new admin. This one is new admin C1, so it means new admin campaign 1. I just copy all again, and I will set to level 8, so for campaign 1, and I will modify some permissions so they can view reports, alter agent, modify user, change, they can delete, modified list, load the list, load leads, they can download the list, modify the campaign details. Okay, modified filter, admin access, modify the call time, ship is okay, phones not possible, we can assign it manually. And this one, don't forget here, so you can remove this one so that they can able to alter any admin settings. Okay, and then we can check now our new admin. Just I will log out this and log in again. Okay, submit. So you can see I can only see my one campaign under my user group. Okay, okay. And what about carrier? I can able to ask the carrier phones. I can see what I can modify. Oh yeah, I think they have a permission to modify phones. About the server, server, yeah, they don't have permission to modify conference. Yeah, they have it because of the admin. Okay, show inbound. So most of the inbound here they can able to access. Okay, only the, for example, campaign modified here. Yeah, they don't have option to delete, so you can not able to delete the campaign. So this is a new user or the new company that I added. So if you open this one, you can able to open. If you go to campaign, you only see one campaign. Okay, okay, hope you are enjoying our video for modifying the or adding the user group and adding new campaign or the new company, and update the user group for the agents so you can use them as a uh, multiple customer. Okay, so thank you again, and don't forget to like and subscribe our videos, and so that, and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're always updated for our latest video that I upload every once a week or every thrice a week. Okay, so hope you are new. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, configuration, installation for Vicidial and other open source application. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Bye bye.